Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to do exercise 1b. Question is question number 5. If z square is directly proportional to x cube, when z is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4, find the value of z when x is equal to 9. Okay, let's start it. First of all, since z square is directly proportional to x cube, z square is directly proportional to x cube. This proportionality sign, this is proportionality sign, okay? Proportionality sign change with equality. Here we insert k, where k is a constant. Like that, z squared is equal to k x cube, where k is a constant. When x is equal to 4, here we need find the value of k. For that we have given value x and z. X is equal to 4 and z is equal to 8. Okay. Now putting the value of z and x, z 8 square is equal to k for 4, x cube 4 cube. Okay. 8 64 is equal to k when 4 part 3 is equal to 64 also. Okay, like that 64 is equal to k 64. Okay, to find the value of k we have to divide 64 on both sides. 64 on both sides, we get the value of k. Okay, we got the value of k. Now we putting the value of k in that equation. Z square is equal to k. In that equation, z square is equal to k x cube. Z square is equal to, when we putting the value of k is equal to, z square is equal to 1 x cube. Okay. Note that student, this equation is very important because that equation will use in all parts of this question. Okay, this equation. The second part of this question, find the value of z when x is equal to 9. Okay, find the value of z when x is equal to k. Z square is equal to 1 x cube. When we put the value of 9, z square is equal to 1 9 cube, it will be z square is equal to 7 to 29. Okay, now we taking square root on both sides. Like that, when we taking square root, cube root, the answer will be in plus and minus. Okay, the answer is z is equal to plus minus 27. Okay student, now question number 6. If q is directly proportional to p minus 1 whole square and q is equal to 20, when p is equal to 3, find the value of p when q is equal to 80. Solution, since q is directly proportional to p minus 1 whole square. Okay, now q directly proportional to p minus 1 whole square. This is a proportionality sign. Proportionality sign change with equality. Here we insert k, where k is a constant. Okay, to find the value of k, for that we have given value p and q. Okay, when we put the value of p and q, we will get the value of k. Pq is equal to 20 and p is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 square is equal to 4. Like that. To find the value of k, we have to divide 4 on both sides. 4 on both sides, k is equal to 5. Okay, k is equal to 5. Now we putting the value of k in that equation. Pq is equal to k into p minus 1 whole square. It will be q is equal to 5 because k is equal to 5. P into p minus 1 whole square. The second part of this question, students, note that that equation will use in all part of this question. Okay, that equation, q is equal to 5 into p minus 1 whole square. That equation will use other part of this question. Okay, uh, because second part is find the value of p when q is equal to 80. When q is equal to 80, the equation q is equal to 5p minus 1 whole square. Here q is equal to 80. When we put the value of q, we will get the value of p. Okay, how? Let's do. Q is equal to 80 is equal to 5p minus 1 whole square. Okay, here, because find the value of p, we have find the value of p. That's why we are going to divide 5 on both side. 5 on both side, it will be 16 is equal to p minus 1 p minus 1 whole square. Okay, because here we find the value of p, not p square. That's why we are we're taking square root on both side like that. When we taking square root on both side, it will be plus minus 4 is equal to square root cancel out p minus 1. You know that when we taking the square root, cube root both side, the answer will be plus or minus. 16 square root is equal to 4. Okay, plus minus. So we need to find the value of only p. That's why first of all we do p minus 1 is equal to plus 4 and p minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Okay, when p minus 1 move another side, it will be plus 1. Okay, p is equal to 5, p minus 1 is equal to minus 4. When minus 1 move another side, it will be plus 1. Okay, minus 4 and plus 1 is equal to minus 3. I hope student you understand it very well. Please like, subscribe my channel. Okay, question number 7, given that y is a directly proportional to x cube. Okay, complete the table. This question is different from other question. Okay, since solution, since y is a directly proportional to x cube, y is a directly proportional. ठीक है, this is a proportionality sign change with equality. We insert k, y is equal to k x cube, where k is a constant. We need to find the value of k. For that we have given both x and y values. We need x and y values. Okay, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 648. Okay, x is equal to, okay, now putting the value of x y in that equation. Okay, it will be 648 because y is equal to 648 is equal to k, x is equal to 6 cube. 6 part 3 is equal to 216. To find the value of k, we are going to divide 216 on both side. 216 cancel out and 3, k is equal to 3. Okay, now putting the value of k in that equation, it will be y is equal to k is equal to 3x cube. This equation will use in all part of this question. Okay, first of all we will find the value of x when y is equal to 375 and 1029. Okay, when y is equal to, when find the value of x when y is equal to 375. Okay, when y is equal to, okay, when y is equal to, we will use that equation. Y is equal to 3x cube, y is equal to 375 is equal to 3x cube. Find the value of x. We will divide 3 on both sides. Okay, it will be 125. So x is equal to x is equal to 125, but we need find the value of x. Okay, we need find the value of x. That's why we're taking cube root on both sides. We need cube root on both sides because here x is cube, x cube. Okay, cube root, when we taking cube root on both sides, it will be cube root. Okay students, 5 cube is equal to 125. Okay, so cube root cancel out. X is equal to, when cube root of 125, it will be 5. Okay, x is equal to 5. So here x is equal to 5. Okay student, now when y is equal to 1029, like that, when y is equal to 1029, the equation is y is equal to 3x cube. When we put y is equal to 1029 like that, to find the value of x cube, we have to divide 3 on both sides. Okay, it will be x cube. It will be x cube. X cube is equal to 343. Okay, but we need find the value of x. That's why we taking cube roots on both sides. Okay, when we taking cube root on both sides, it will be x is equal to 7. How? Because 7 part 3 is equal to 343. Okay, so y is equal to 1029, x is equal to 7. Okay, we took out the value of x. Now we will find the value of y. Okay, when x is 3, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3x cube. Y is equal to 3, x is equal to 3. 3 part 3 is equal to 27. 3 multiplied by 27 is equal to, y is equal to 81. So when x is equal to 3, y is 81. Okay, now when x is equal to 4, okay, y is equal to 3, 4 raised to power 3. When 4 part 3 is equal to 64. Okay, 3 multiplied by 64 is equal to, y is equal to 192. So complete the table. We completed. Okay, 192. Okay student, I hope you understand it very well. If you have any query, then let me know, comment below the video. Okay, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.